Can you understand the words in a song? Today we're going to be looking at a music video. Listening to the lyrics of a song is a marvellous way to improve vocabulary and take your listening skills to the next level. Here we go. With music, sometimes the lyrics are not totally clear. This could be due to the use of informal or slang words. It could be because of the use of connected or contracted words, such as mustn't, can't, for example. Or there could be background sounds which interfere with your understanding. Background instruments, background voices, all of these things can make listening a challenge. This is a gap fill exercise, which means that there are 12 spaces in the lyrics with a missing word or words for each space. If you have a pen and paper, it may be useful. Let's try.
You know, you used to make me feel so good, like no one else they ever could. And the saying goes that in life, all good things they have to end. I couldn't love you as you loved me then, but I came back to try again. But then you'd spread your wings, you'd spread your wings so wide. I spent my life in a bad way, and I've wasted every day since I first met you. I spent my life in a bad way, and I've wasted nearly every day of my life without you. Love we held so briefly, it never died within me. And though we may never meet again, you know I did try so hard to find you. So there's just one thing I gotta say to you. With all those other girls and those, you know, my late nights too, I was just making do without you. Spent my life in bad ways, and I've wasted nearly every day I've had without you. I spent my life in bad ways, and I've wasted every day I spent without you. The love we held so briefly, the love we had never died within me. Oh, we'll never meet again. You know I tried so hard to find you. So there's just one thing left I gotta say to you. Just one thing. With all those other girls and my late nights too, you know I was just making do. I was just making do.
And that was the video. Now you can see here are the printed lyrics with the missing words identified. Please check and compare with your own answers. If you like, you can freeze the video while you check. That was the song. That was the video. That was the gap fill exercise. How did you do? Coming soon is a follow-up grammar and vocabulary lesson looking at the lyrics of this song in greater detail. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I hope it was useful and enjoyable for you. If it was, please do the usual thing. Goodbye for now.